Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can find the tools that can help you make a conversation voice to voice with the GPT or ChatGPT here. First thing you have to do is just open your app store and make sure you already download the ChatGPT. Open your search and then type the ChatGPT there, and make sure that you download the application with the symbols on it. And right after you download it, just need to type into open to access the application. And now we already have this menu, so this is the menu looks after you logged in with your account. So first time you need to log in with the account, you just need to enter your email as well as the password, and then you just need to follow all everything the directions to get this type of looks or menu. Now, the thing that you have to do if you want to have like a conversation voice to voice with the chat GPT, you just need to take a look on this button feature. So make sure that you already enable and allow the voice access permissions for this application. And now you will have these two options. This one is to recording your voice and transfer it into the text. So the ChatGPT will reply to it with the text too. But if you want to have a conversation like voice to voice, just type into this earphone icon here. Whenever you tap it, so the ChatGPT